Like one of the worst thing you can do on your LinkedIn is just let your connection list just sit there doing nothing. And think of it, you have hundreds, even thousands of connection. And most of the recruiter don't know about this new LinkedIn feature that can help you to turn this connection list into new client. And nobody is doing right now. It's literally the blue ocean. Yeah, what you need to do, you need to go in your LinkedIn profile. And just here you can find your me and just go to setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you'll find called data privacy. Just click there and you can find this manage, and there is in just below that you find your download your data. Now LinkedIn just have this feature. Now you can just download your all connection verification contact all the history right now. And what happened when you just request this archive, it will ready in 24 hours. After that you can download that CSV. After you get your export, now this is the guide you can download from the description. We have three-step process, and each step have its own is Claude skill which can you can use to do the process. So the first step is to find who is in your target market, because every contact connection is not your targeted client, so we need to filter out. So just go in a Claude, upload this, download this skill and upload here. Just go quickly here and browse and manage the skill and add the skill. After that, you need to upload your CSV and your ICP. Now, after uploading all three, it will clean out all the thing and come up with the connection who is in your target market. Simple. Now, next, after you get the thing, we need to find the reason to reach out. So, next skill is very important. What it does is that you need to have a connection called XAI. Let's first of all introduce this XAI. You can just type here XAI, and it's it's very it's easier to use XAI than Claude web browser because it's built for AI agent. So it have more versatility and it give very better result than Claude. And you can easily can connect with this. Just go to connector and add tool and browse and go to XAI and just connect it. Simple. After that, same upload the skill. It will go all the connection that is in your target list and find all the hiring signal. You don't need to tell anything. It have everything inbuilt. It go and research anything. Now, there's a third skill you need to put is that ranking skill. And what it exactly do is that it rank the whole connection based on the research. May somebody have two hiring signals, somebody have not hiring signal. So it rank up to down. So what you need to do after that, you need to go up to down and start to writing a personalized email or personalized LinkedIn message or anything you want to do. So you get priority list. So that's all about the system. Now you can find the whole document in the comment and the description, and you can. And it's very easy to complete, and it's not a theory. You can set up within a 5 minute and go and do it. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. For the time being, have a great day. Bye.